If you're new to PC, then this video is perfect for you. Here's my top PC tips and tricks. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is change the refresh rate. So what you're going to want to do is go to Settings, then go to Display, then click on Advanced Display, and change this refresh rate down here to the highest one. And there we go. Click Keep Changes, come off that, and now it's a higher refresh rate. Next, go back to Settings, and this time we're going to click on Personalisation. Then you want to change the color theme and transparency effects. So you can change your color theme and colors here. So if you wanted that, you can change all this here, custom. There we go. So after that is done, you then want to download Wallpaper Engine on Steam. It is £3.49 in the UK. I'm not sure what it is in dollars, but basically that will be ready for you to open. Hang on, it wants to open. Let's go to Steam. Wallpaper Engine. So just choose your theme. I'm going to choose this one. Click OK down here, and there we go. It is applied. Then you want to go to Chrome and search up rainmeter.net. Enter. You click download here. That will download Rainmeter. Then search up Rainmeter Mond Clock, and then go to here and scroll down and click download. Then I've been quite sneaky and hidden it down here so you guys wouldn't see it, but there we go. And here you can make it so it's draggable or not. Then keep on screen, yes. Snap to edges, yes. And there we go. That has changed that, so that looks really nice now. Then go to System and Power and change the power mode from balance to best performance. This will give you the best FPS in your games and best performance. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.